My shoulder pain started about 5 years ago, and it just kept getting worse and worse. The pain was awful. I couldn't stand it anymore, not to be able to move around, not to even turn over in bed. So I figured something had to be done, and I wasn't afraid. I have a lot of surgeries in my life. And about that time, my son and my son-in-law both had friends who had relatives who had the same type of condition of their shoulder that I had. And both of them had surgery, and they both came up beautifully. So I wanted to know who did it, and of course it was Dr. Gobisi.
Sure, the diagnosis of rotator cuff tears and osteoarthritis is quite common once you get above about 70 years of age. What I see is in a rotator cuff tear is anything from pain at night to, doc, I can't even put my shirt on. I can't raise my arm high enough to even get my clothes on and off, and so on.
The only question that I had was, am I too old for this surgery? I thought I was too old for it. Too many possibilities. But when he reassured me that half of the patients that have this surgery are between 75 and 85 years old, I didn't have a qualm. I really didn't.
And a lot of people will say that ask me about what's the age limit of the surgery. I don't have one because it's a 30-minute operation and you can go home the same day. Even older patients, I do about 70% of my shoulder replacements as an outpatient procedure.
So we went ahead and made the appointment September 23rd. The operation took 30 minutes, only 30 minutes. It was amazing. To me, it was a miracle. The surgery was a miracle. The nurses at TriPoint were wonderful. I would say all the Lake County hospitals, I've been in a couple of them, I wouldn't go anywhere else. And since then, my life has just turned around. I can do everything now. And Dr. Gobisi really is a miracle worker.